The whole concept that Renewal by Andersen has, I think, is probably the best model of a company in construction products that I've ever experienced or know about.
And the sales associate that was here that we first dealt with gave us his card with his cell phone and invited us to call him at any stage of the process if we had any problems, and I thought that's a really nice touch. You only have one person to call, but everything went so well I didn't have to call him.
Yeah, we never did.
But I thought that was a nice point, knowing you have one touch person to the whole entire project. I appreciated that.
We knew exactly who we were working with at all times. There was no guessing.
He made it so simple that it really was not a chore at all. It was a pleasant experience dealing with Renewal by Andersen. Renewal by Andersen just made it simple.
They've got the whole package. You know, dealing with one company that from start to finish, everything proceeded smoothly and we didn't have to ask for anything.
Oh, goodness, good decision doesn't even begin to describe it. It was easily the best decision we've ever made in this house.
It was a brilliant decision to go with Renewal by Andersen. Have absolutely no regrets whatsoever. We're extraordinarily pleased, and when we're in the nursing home, we'll do it again.